gonna try out this spot down here. This is the Verdigris River over here. That water you see through there. This is right next to Highway 412. There is a boat ramp down at the end of this road. That's where we're gonna go. And see what we can see here. It's been raining off and on all day. It's sprinkling now. This is where you park, right here, of course. We're gonna drive all the way down here and see what it looks like real quick. And then it's really high. The reason why I like this spot is there is a creek right here on the other side of these trees right here that comes in. And there is barge and tugboat traffic on this section, but we'll give it a go. That creek is really high, but we're gonna give this a try, even though it is sprinkling a little bit, and we will go from there. So, got some good current there, it looks like. Got some sprinkles. We'll just park up over here. And I only brought 2 poles with me. And I brought some night crawlers and some shad. Because that's all I brought. That's all I could bring with me since I was working. But we're gonna go give this a go. Area right here is always a back eddy. Here's that creek I was talking about. Goes straight back in their way. So let's walk over here and I'll show you. Here's the creek. I got 2 rods with me. I got a Santee Cooper rig with me, and I got a regular Carolina rig with me. I might put that Santee Cooper rig over here because it will hold the bait about 2 feet off the bottom. I might try putting one in here because there is some trees and stuff like that in here that I know of, because I've never seen the water level this high right here, but it's been raining for like 3 days, so hopefully we'll be able to catch some fish here. And then I think I'll put the other rod out over here into this back eddy and see what happens. And again, I brought 2 rod holders, of course, with me as well. So I'm gonna put these out, put these rod holders up, and I'm gonna get to it. Alright, here's the 2 rods I brought. I brought my old medium bass rod with a quantum reel on it, and then I also brought my short medium action pistol grip rod. This has a Abu Garcia Ambassador, high speed gear ratio. This is a USA 500. This is rigged with a Carolina rig. I got a 5/0 circle hook. I got a 3-ounce weight, of course, and my leader is 55-pound mono. And then I got a heavy duty swivel where it connects to the 65-pound main line. And this one's 65-pound braid as well. But this is my Santee Cooper rig, meaning I have a float on it down close to the hook. And this is a 4/0 Pro Cat circle hook with the float. And then I got my weights tied on with a snap up here where my main line meets the 55-pound mono. And I'm just gonna bait up with night crawlers to make it easy, and we'll go from there. I got all my worms in this, of course. I did a review on this, a review video, so go check that out. But I'm just gonna use night crawlers just to make it easier. Alright, I'm gonna get this one casted out and get that one out, and we'll go from there. Now we wait to see if I catch anything. I got this one casted out about 10 feet, even with the corner to where the creek starts here. And that one is casted out right into the middle of the creek right there. If I don't get any bites on either one of these, I will move that rod over here to this point, cast it out into the, do a short cast right out there into the middle, right in front of all those low branches, and then I'll cast this one straight out. But we'll see if we catch anything. The river's really going. There's a tree running, flowing down the river right there. Alright, I just pulled, reeled them in, rebaited, and threw them back out. And as you can see, I moved my Santee Cooper rig over here now. It's casted out under the trees right on the, about 3/4 the way across the creek. Right there. And this one is out. Should be right in that current seam right out there. We'll see if we catch anything. I hope I do. wound up not catching anything today, but it's been a long day for me, and this was on my way home. I got about a 30-minute drive to get home from here, so I'm gonna head out. Thanks for watching my videos, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.